Today we will be going over the indirect method. The indirect method. This reconciles from net income to net cash provided by operating activities. No matter what, the financing and investing sections are always done the same way. What to add? We add back depreciation expense because although this is an expense, we do not pay cash for depreciation, meaning it should not be subtracted from net income. We would add a decrease in accounts receivable. We would add an increase in accounts payable because although it looks like we have spent that money, we have not actually paid the cash yet. So we would add that back. And we would add a decrease in inventory because that inventory was probably bought from a previous period. We have already recorded the cash spent and we do not need to record it again. What to subtract? We would subtract a gain on sale. We would subtract this because we're not actually getting paid for that gain. That's just the difference between the selling price and our book value of the asset. We would subtract an increase in accounts receivable because although we are going to receive that cash in the future, we have not yet received it at this point in time. We would subtract a decrease in accounts payable because that is cash we have paid out to another company. And we would subtract an increase in inventory. I hope you found this video really helpful. The concepts and information presented in these videos will be true no matter what accounting class you are taking. However, the concepts presented in this video are referencing material currently covered in Baylor University's coursework. Remember, if you are a currently enrolled Baylor student, we offer free tutoring services. Our tutoring center is located on the first floor of the Sid Richardson building. You will find all the details you need to know about these services on our website, www.baylor.edu/tutoring. You may schedule a free 30-minute one-on-one tutoring session online, or just drop in during any of our open business hours. For more information about our current services, please visit our website. Thank you.